understand what you need.
Part 1. Understanding your curls. Curly hair is magical, but let's be honest, it doesn't always cooperate. One morning, you wake up with perfect bouncy curls. The next, it's a frizz explosion. Sound familiar? Don't worry. Today, I'm giving you the ultimate curly hair routine, from wash day to styling to nighttime care. So whether you've got loose waves or tight coils, I got you covered. Before we jump into products and routines, you need to know your curl type. Curly hair isn't just one look, it's a whole spectrum. Wavy hair, 2A through 2C. Looser, S-shaped waves. They get weighed down easily, so they love lightweight styling products. Curly spirals, 3A to 3C. More defined, springy curls. These need hydration and a little hold to keep the bounce. Coily and kinky hair, 4A through 4C. Super tight curls with lots of shrinkage. They thrive on rich creams and oils to fight dryness. But here's the truth, you don't need to fit into one exact box. Your hair might be a mix, and that's totally normal. Part 2, wash day is everything. Let's talk about the foundation, wash day. For curly hair, this is like setting the stage for the whole week. Step 1, cleanse gently. Curly hair is naturally drier because the oils from your scalp have a harder time traveling down those twists and turns. That's why sulfates can be too harsh. Instead, go for a sulfate-free moisturizing shampoo. Step 2, condition, condition, condition. This is your best friend. Load up on a rich conditioner and use this moment to detangle. Grab a wide-tooth comb or just finger detangle while the conditioner is still in your hair. Trust me, trying to detangle after drying is a recipe for breakage. Step 3, rinse smart. Some curlies even leave a bit of conditioner in instead of rinsing completely. It keeps moisture locked in. And here's a golden rule. Never rub your hair with the towel. Instead, use a microfiber towel or even a cotton t-shirt to scrunch. It reduces frizz and helps your curls form naturally. Part 3. Styling, products, and application. Now the fun begins, styling. The key here isn't just the products, but how you apply them. Step 1, start with soaking wet hair. Yes, dripping wet. Water is moisture. Don't dry it out before you add products. Step 2, layer smart. Leave-in conditioner for hydration. Curl cream for definition. Gel or mousse for hold and frizz control. Step 3, application technique. There are so many methods like praying hands, smoothing product down your strands, scrunching or raking. Experiment and see what your curls love. Personally, I apply with praying hands, then scrunch to encourage curl clumps. And here's my secret hack. Flip your head upside down while applying products. It gives crazy volume. Part 4, drying your curls. So, should you air dry or diffuse? Honestly, both work. Air drying gives you the softest, most natural curls, but it takes forever. Diffusing is faster and adds volume, but you have to be gentle. Always use low heat, low speed. Think gentle breeze, not a hurricane. When your curls are fully dry, they might feel crunchy. That's the gel cast. Don't panic. Just scrunch it out with clean hands or a little oil, and boom, soft, bouncy curls. And there you go, the curly hair routine you've been waiting for. With the right care, your curls can go from frizz to fabulous. Which curl type are you rocking? Wavy, curly, or coily? Comment below and let's share tips with each other. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more hair care guides every week. Stay curly, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.